Hello everyone. So today we'll be taking a look on how to change the passcode for the Kwikset. So as you can see, this is my lock and this is using several digits. Actually the passcode can be 4 to 8 digits, and if you can see, this is Kwikset button. This is actually also called as the programming button, and on the back side we have 4 batteries or cells, and here is a reset button. So this is used to reset the lock to the factory settings. So if you have moved into a new house, you would not know the programming code which is set by the previous renter or the owner. So in that case you would want to reset it. So for that you need to press this button, reset button. It is indicated by R. You need to press it for 15 seconds in order to reset. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Now you can hear a long beep, so it means that this has been reset to the factory setting. Now in the factory setting there is a programming code which is default. It is 0000. So that's the default programming code, and now the code that we are going to set, it is called as a user code. Now how do we set it? So let us assume that we are going to set our passcode as, or user code as 123456. So for that you need to press the programming code first, now which is default in our case. So 0000 is the default. Then press the option of programming button. Then you need to press on 1 because we are going to set the new user code. Then press on program button. Then you need to enter your new user code, which is 123456. Then you need to press on program button. So that means this is now programmed, and the user code for this is 123456. Now how do we test this? Now in order to test, let me lock the door. So this is how it is locked from inside. In order to open this, you would have to enter your user code. So to enter the user code, first click on the program button, then 123456, which is your user code, then click on program button. Now as you can see, this has opened the door. So this is how you are going to add a new user code to your Kwikset lock, and that can be used to unlock the doors. And another thing, if you want to check if your lock is working or not, in order to do that, what you do is you are going to type your program code, which is 0000, then program button, then 0, then program button. So this is going to show you that the lock is working and responding to your codes. In this video we have known how to check if our lock is working to the code instructions, and also we have set a new user code to a desired code. Also what we have done is we have resetted the settings to the factory settings. You can also change your program code, and I can show that in my next video.